welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Young Living unboxing for the month of January. Just a little disclaimer, if you guys do hear some barking in the background, I am a dog caregiver and they may bark, so I'm sorry about that. But anyways, I did partially open the box already because I didn't think I was going to do a video, but then I was like, you know what? You just need to go do a video. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks like. It's pretty standard. It says Young Living essential oils on the side. And like I said, I already partially opened it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the job. Alright guys, let's see the goodies inside. Also, the Young Living Essential Oils company is a multi-level company, and they sell essential oils, obviously, and other natural products as well. The oils are 100% therapeutic grade, so they're very, very good and high quality, and they also use all natural products, which is really great. I have not had any type of irritation or rash on my skin, so yeah, let's just go ahead and see what's in it. Let's see what papers. And I got the Essential Edge, which is basically like their little newspaper here. It kind of tells me what's going on in the oil community and different things that they're doing. So that's cool. And then also I got a whole bunch of these, which are hand sanitizers. I know you guys are probably like, this is really boring, but honestly, you guys, everybody at my, well, not everybody, but a few people at my husband's work have requested for me to buy some of these because they are really good. They smell really good. They are all natural, and they clean your hands. And where he works, it's very dirty, and you really need like a good hand sanitizer. So it looks like this. It smells like Thieves oil, which is super, super good. It's with Thieves and peppermint oil. And pretty much your hands smell like Christmas all year long. So, yeah, guys. Definitely, if you also, I will be leaving my link down below in case you guys want to check Young Living out. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below and all that jazz. And so I will be giving all of these out to the to my husband's friends who requested me to grab some of those. Also, I grabbed the bath and shower gel right here. And I've actually never, it's called Morning Burst, by the way. And it's, let's see what it says. It said, okay, directions. Apply liberally to the body during bath or shower. So, pretty standard. And then, okay, here we go. Infused with peppermint, lemongrass, rosemary, juniper essential oils, morning start, bath and shower gel has a refreshing, uplifting scent. It's mild, plant-based formula, lathers easily and leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and clean. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. So, this is really good for your skin. It's all natural. It has no nasty stuff in it. So, if you're looking for a good body gel, I suggest you, or body wash, I suggest you try this. I do have this soap, which I love. By the way, you guys, if you shave your legs or shave your armpits or shave whatever, buy their body soap. I got their Morning Start body soap to go with my to go with this, basically. And I shaved my legs with it, with the soap, and it left my legs so soft. and it was so easy to shave. And I've been shaving with a bar of soap. Okay, guys, like I was very much a shave gel girl, and but not anymore. And I literally have been using that for like a week now, and I love it. It gives me a close shave. It doesn't give me any type of razor burn or razor bumps or ingrown hairs or anything like that, and it leaves my legs moisturized and it's very, very soft. So in case you guys are wanting to maybe try something that's more natural, definitely ask me about it, and maybe I can get something, maybe I can get a little sample to you guys. Anyways, like I said, let me know down below, but let me go ahead and just smell it so I can tell you guys how it smells. See, and it comes with this little like safe, so you know nobody's opened it. It smells so good. It smells citrusy. That's what it smells like to me. This is going to be really great in the morning. This is going to be really great in the morning. Also, there's a night one too, which I may pick up maybe next month. I'm not quite sure. But that one, I really want to try to have the set. But anyways, this does smell pretty citrusy. It smells good though. It's not like a really sweet smell. I would say it smells like citrus and peppermint. So I think I'm going to enjoy this very, very much. But anyways, that's all I got, you guys, for this month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Sorry for all the weird noises and dog barks in the background if you heard them. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, if you enjoy this video, if not. And yeah, see you guys next time.